Welcome to the exciting world of the stock market, where beginners can unlock immense potential for growth and earnings. Though often seen as complex and daunting, the stock market is a gateway to financial opportunity. Imagine tapping into a system that allows your money to work for you, growing over time. Whether you're looking to secure a comfortable future or explore new financial avenues, the stock market holds the key. Let's face it, diving into stocks can be intimidating for newcomers. Many are deterred by fear of the unknown, unsure of where to start. But fear not. With the right guidance and a bit of knowledge, you can confidently step into this vibrant arena. In this series, we aim to demystify the stock market, breaking down barriers, and providing clear, actionable steps for beginners. From understanding the basics to crafting your first investment strategy, we'll guide you every step of the way. Get ready to transform apprehension into ambition and start your journey towards financial growth. Let's dive in and explore how you can begin investing with confidence. Welcome to the essentials of the stock market, where understanding the basics is your first step to success. Let's dive into some key terms. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while shares are the units of this ownership. The stock market is a dynamic platform where these shares are bought and sold, operating as a hub for buyers and sellers, facilitating the exchange of securities. It's the heartbeat of modern finance, connecting investors with companies seeking capital. Now, let's introduce the major players: the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, giants of the U.S. financial landscape, hosting countless transactions daily. Grasping these concepts is crucial for any new investor. By breaking down these basics, you're setting a solid foundation for your investment journey. Understanding these core elements empowers you to make informed decisions. Ready to move forward? Next, we'll explore how to set up your first brokerage account and take your initial steps into the world of investing. Ready to dive in and start your investment journey? The first crucial step is setting up your brokerage account, your gateway to the stock market. Begin by choosing a brokerage firm that suits your needs. Decide on the type of account: individual, joint with a partner, or perhaps a retirement account for long-term growth. Each has its own benefits and considerations. Remember, research is key. Investigate different firms, understand their fees, and compare the services they offer. This groundwork will empower you to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Setting up your account is more than just paperwork. It's the foundation of your investment future. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming an informed investor. Once your account is ready, you're all set for the next chapter, exploring strategies to grow your wealth. Stay tuned as we delve into beginner-friendly strategies that can help you navigate the market with confidence. Let's keep building your path to financial success. Now that you've got your account set up, let's delve into some beginner-friendly investment strategies. First, consider diversification. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce the risk of losing everything at once. Next, let's talk about risk management. It's crucial to assess how much risk you're comfortable taking and balance your portfolio accordingly. Remember, investing is not about getting rich quick. The real magic happens with long-term investing. By holding on to your investments over time, you can ride out market fluctuations and potentially see greater returns. These strategies aren't just about avoiding losses. They're designed to help you maximize your gains. Ready to dive deeper? In our next segment, we'll cover common pitfalls to avoid as a new investor, ensuring your path to financial success is smooth and informed. Stay tuned, and let's keep building your knowledge and confidence in the stock market. Every investor at some point stumbles upon common pitfalls. But don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. Today, let's focus on steering clear of those beginner mistakes that can cost time and money. Recognize that the emotional highs and lows of investing can be intense. Fear and greed often cloud judgment, leading to hasty decisions. Remember, patience is key. Stay informed and take a measured approach. Avoid the trap of following the crowd blindly. Instead, do your homework and make informed choices. Always keep learning about market trends and strategies. This is not just a sprint, it's a marathon. By staying calm and collected, you pave the way for more thoughtful investments. Set realistic expectations. The stock market is a journey, not a get-rich-quick scheme. With these insights, you'll be better equipped to navigate the market effectively. Now that we've tackled these common errors, let's move forward to empower your investment journey with confidence and success. As we wrap up, let's reflect on what we've covered. We've journeyed through the fundamentals of the stock market, demystified its complexities, and equipped you with essential knowledge. From understanding key terms to setting up your brokerage account, we've laid a solid foundation for your investment journey. Remember, investing is not just about numbers. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. We've explored strategies to diversify and manage risk, emphasizing the power of patience and long-term thinking. Along the way, we've also highlighted common pitfalls, preparing you to navigate the market with confidence. Now, it's time to transform knowledge into action. The stock market awaits, filled with opportunities for growth and earnings. The first step might seem daunting, but every successful investor started right where you are now. Take that leap and open your first brokerage account. Begin with small, informed steps and let your journey unfold. Today marks the start of your path to financial empowerment. You've learned the basics. Now it's time to put them into practice. We encourage you to explore, invest wisely, and continue learning. Remember, the goal is not just to earn money, but to build a sustainable financial future. So go ahead, dive into the world of investing with the confidence you've gained. Embrace the challenge and let your financial journey begin today. The stock market holds immense potential, and with the right approach, you can unlock its rewards. Your future is in your hands. Start.